So exactly what is next for women in Texas? Our Grace White looks at the impact of the Supreme Court's decision on their health care. Grace?
The states you see here in red have trigger laws on the books. There are 13 of them. Laws that once Roe versus Wade was overturned go into effect.
They need our prayers now.
It was certainly expected.
Attorney David Cole not surprised by the Supreme Court's ruling after a leaked draft opinion earlier this year.
What does this mean for women in Texas?
It means that if you want an abortion, you're going to have to travel to a state where it is legal.
And that's already happening. Ever since Texas Senate Bill 8 took effect in September 2021, banning abortions after a heartbeat is detected around 6 weeks. KHU 11 looked at data from the Oklahoma Department of Health. The number of abortions from Texas patients jumped from 341 in 2020 to more than 1,300 in 2021.
As time goes by, you may confront laws and efforts to restrict your ability to travel to another state.
Meaning, if you give someone a ride to the airport or state line, will you face legal action? Cole expects that debate. But what's already on the books, Texas trigger law, outlawing abortions unless the mother's life is at risk. And doctors who perform them could face life in prison and up to $100,000 in fines. But while that's the law of the land, Cole says it will be up to each county to enforce.
Local DAs are going to have to make decisions about whether or not they're going to prosecute people under the new criminal laws that they're asked to enforce.
President Biden said today he will defend women's rights to travel safely to another state. We've also seen companies like Disney, Netflix, and Dick's Sporting Goods start to release statements saying they will reimburse travel expenses for employees seeking abortions. Ron and Mia, a lot to follow in the weeks to come.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much, Grace White.